So if we train in a fasted state, there won't be much glucose around to turn into energy, so we'll have to look to fatty acids to turn into ATP to power our muscles. And now there are different enzymes required to use fatty acids than there are for glucose. So if we're putting the body in a state where it needs to upregulate its ability to use these fatty acids, we'll create more of those enzymes and get better at using fatty acids during exercise. And now the benefit to this is that the more fatty acids we can use, the more glucose we can spare. And the brain and nervous system actually require glucose to function, and they can't actually use these fatty acids. And the reason this is important is because it seems that the reason that we stop exercising is not so much due to the muscles not having enough energy, rather it's because the brain doesn't have enough energy. So the brain stops sending the signal to the muscle to keep uptaking glucose and using it for energy because it's trying to preserve the glucose to power itself. Therefore, getting better and better at using body fat during exercise means the muscles use less glucose and more glucose is available for the brain, meaning we can exercise for longer. And while it may stink, really the only way to actually upregulate this machinery is to exercise in a state of low glucose, so we have the enzymes available at the level of the muscle to use body fat as a fuel source.